Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the 3DC printing sliders, fidget toys. But hey, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. Let me know in the comments down below, guys. Let's go ahead because these guys are nice. They sent these products to review, so full disclosure, they were sent in for the from the maker. Because I reviewed these guys a while back, and they actually sent out like these kind of things, maybe you remember from the channel, which weren't like very precise. Like as you can see, like the surface on this one still feels like in the prototype stage, and like on the inside you see they get all scratched up if you use them. They came with this box, and they, you know, look at that. That's not ideal, but still, it's like a new company. They are young, they are starting. So I made the review, and they realized that they were not perfect, and they improved the products, and they asked me to review them again. So there they are. And I've got a bunch of those. I'm gonna show them one by one. So this is the lunch tray, you see, and you get this feel, right? This look, of course, this is like a tray. The magnets are hidden. You get a plate covering that. You can slide this pretty much any direction you prefer, and it's a nice design. It's a nice idea. And this is one. And then you get like the prime, okay, which is different. And as you can see, now the finish is improved. It's still not like 100%, okay, but much better than before. And this guy has a very unique feel to it. This is, you see, it has like magnets and then like parts like clacking around against each other and producing this very unique sound right here. And I can notice that they improved the quality of the plastic because this doesn't get scratched up as easily as before. So good job at improving the product. Another one they sent in is the mini, and this one is silent, so you see there's no, that clicking sound is gone. You have another clicking sound, but no, like with no moving parts feel on the inside. Let's say, you know, it's hard to explain. You gotta try these fellas. But definitely improved the design, and you see it's not perfect. You still see some imperfections on the surface. You see like there's some voids, but this is like 3D printing, and this is just a starting company, so we gotta give them you know, a little bit of time to improve the stuff. And look at this, you see, this is the slim. So again, it's the same principle, improve materials. The surface still needs some attention because you get some voids still, so not perfect, but improved a lot for sure, especially on the inside. I think they nailed it. It's not scratching up anymore. So, and then there's another one, which is the Pro with the honeycomb pattern. Basically is like the prime, but just like a rectangular shape. So, and actually you can see this is a little bit better, but still not like perfectly flush, I mean, on the surface. But you guys are on the right track. Probably this is a little bit too big for my taste, but definitely works, and definitely is a cheap option for a fidget, you know, slider. This is a pretty cool set of toys that you can check out if you don't wanna spend a lot of money in like some of the exotic fancy ones, zirconium. You can go the 3D printed plastic way, and for sure like save some money. I can see like these guys doing some metal stuff, but you're gonna need a different machine, not a 3D printer for sure, because you're gonna be needing like a CNC machine machine, milling, whatever, and the price is not gonna be in the $20 range for sure. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.